Promoting your YouTube channel is essential for growing your audience and increasing views. Here are 10 effective and free ways to promote your channel. Share your YouTube videos on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engage with users to reach a wider audience. Partner with other creators in your niche for collaborations. This exposes your channel to their audience and builds a mutually beneficial relationship. Be active in YouTube's comment sections by leaving valuable comments on videos in your niche. This builds visibility and helps people discover your videos. Use SEO to improve your video's discoverability. Include relevant keywords in title descriptions and tags to rank in YouTube's search results. Organize your content into playlists to increase watch time on your channel. Playlists keep viewers engaged and encourage exploration of more content. Set a regular posting schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. Consistency helps build momentum for your channel. Participate in forums like Reddit, Quora, or niche-specific communities. Share your videos and provide helpful advice to establish authority in your field. Include a link to your YouTube channel in your email signature. It's a simple way to promote your channel every time you send an email. If you have a blog or website, embed your YouTube videos in posts or create pages promoting your videos to drive traffic from your site to your channel. Ask your friends, family, and viewers to share your videos. Word-of-mouth promotion can be effective, especially with genuine content.